All right. What's up, co-counsels? We may have a verdict. I'm not sure if we have a verdict or not, but I believe I saw something that signals a possible verdict. Again, there's clickbait. So with clickbait, you don't know. Hold on. Um, hold on. Let's see. I don't see. This is what I saw. So unless this might be clickbait. Should I read the comments? Should I not read the comments? Am I sharing my screen? No, I'm not sharing my screen. Hold on. Let's share the screen. Day, what was this? Now, I believe this was from last week. Yeah, I believe this is from last week. I don't want to quite read the comments yet, so let's just yeah, this has to be from last week unless Peggy wore the same outfit today. I believe this is what she had on last Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Let us get into it though.
Sworn in first.
What's the freak out about?
Counsel, you can keep doing that. Mr. Rose, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear that you will keep that jury in some separate but convenient place until they agree that you not suffer any person to speak to them, to speak to them yourselves, nor ask them if they agree, nor suffer them to disperse them, they charge their verdict, except by further order of the court, so help you God? Simply because you weren't in the room. Thank you.
I'm getting distracted. What's going on? Okay. Is this what Lauren Crum is claiming to be a freak out? We need somebody that reads lips. Okay. Anna, do we have closed captions? I don't think it's gonna capture anything. She's definitely freaking out.
Is the Commonwealth content with the verdict slip?
Is the car what?
Is the Commonwealth content with the verdict slip?
Commonwealth content.
Doesn't make sense. I want to go to the comments, but I want to keep watching this into action.
So, Your Honor, I understand that you've rejected our proposed verdict slip.
So everybody else can sit down. Ms. Tianetti can stand.
Thank you.
Okay.
I understand that you've rejected our proposed verdict slip. Our concern with this verdict slip is that there are 4 options for, actually more than that, 7 options for guilty verdicts, 1 option for not guilty. And
I created a TikTok account. It's I want a real lawyer. I don't know how TikTok works, so maybe you can find it that way. If not, or there's QR codes that I'm supposed to put up here. I'll figure out a way on. I'll figure out how to do that. Okay, I'm not doing that right now. I literally just came up here because this clickbait.
this is too
This
confusing.
clickbait title
So
grabbed my attention.
we are asking that there be not guilty options for each of the charges, including the offense charged and each one of the lesser included offenses. We really ran into the same issue last time. I think what complicates it is the fact that there are 2 theories for 2 of the lesser included.
Do you suggest that doesn't accurately reflect the law?
It does reflect the law. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that it makes things very confusing, and that's why we believe that it cries out for some not guilty option, given the amount of options for convictions on this verdict slip. So
Okay.
We would again ask the court to adopt our proposed verdict slip.
So your proposed verdict slip did not cite any case law. Do you have any case law that supports that proposition, Mr. Yannetti? I have not found any. I've looked.
There's not a lot of case law out there in this verdict slip either.
Other than that has never been proven, has never been found to be inaccurate.
Not yet.
Okay.
And I mean that
So
with all respect.
that's fine. So your rights are reserved. Does that help you?
Right, well, all we can do is object, Judge, and you make
Okay.
the decision.
Okay.
Judge, the last couple.
If you find authority for that, let me know.
We'll do.
Okay.
The last couple of things, judges, that we were provided with a clean computer laptop. Thanks. We were, with a clean laptop. Defense counsel had a chance, or at least defense had a chance to look at it, and I think that's fine. But
All right. So we'll send that in with the exhibits. I need to go edit my charge to fix all the typos.
and then the final thing is I provided counsel with the exhibit list that we had, and it was satisfactory for both sides.
Great.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.
All rise to the court, please.
That's a lot of clickbait. Let me see what the comments are saying though. Apparently, Bev wants Karen so desperately charged. She's already charged. What do you mean? Okay, more accusations of the judge being corrupt. What's going on? Okay, there's nothing going on here. Okay, so yeah, they definitely caught me with that. They got a hold of me with that clickbait. Okay, apparently what? No special treatment with a special jury slip for Karen. Blah blah blah. I'm not reading the rest of that. Okay. All right. So people are not happy with Bev Canoni. I don't know that that's anything new. So I will be back tonight. What time? I'll be back at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay. And then we'll go over some of the testimony that we missed.